You finally got to ask yourself, are you ready? Are you going to 3D print? Or what are you going to do? Is this what you want? Are you going to make it? All right, what's going on, everybody? Today what we're going to do is we're going to talk about the cow. This is a new light box I'm putting on my shop. It's pretty awesome. I think it'll be a great deal. So it'll be a good deal. Hopefully it'll be a good addition and people will buy this. So the number one thing for the day is to build the cow. Build the cow. 3D printing is the future. 3D printing has to be the future, and you better get in the niche now while it's in the easy pickings. Get yourself grandfathered in. I'm not scared. I'm not scared to lower my prices or raise my prices. Hooray, hooray. And I have components for that, okay? Let's start off with these components. So these are going to all be in there. I'm going to have a battery pack, a AA battery pack. I'm going to have a USB port, and that's going to plug together. And that USB port's going to plug to this USB. Pow, pow. Just like that. And then we're going to have a switch for it all. And the switch is going to take it all in. And the switch is going to make it so you can turn it off and on. So let's get cracking on this today, man. Let's see what we come up with. I hope you like it. I'm not scared to make something outside the box. I'm not scared to push my boundaries. If I see other people doing it, I'm not scared to do it as well if there's enough people to do it. But I mean, you got to be reasonable, All right, so here we have everything ready here. We have my USB connector. We have my switch. And we have my battery pack. And these are going to all be designed right into here. All right, I had to break the supports out. So here we're looking at the back of this guy. We're going to have the back of this guy. And let's test this button here. Make sure this button goes in where it's supposed to go in. Why is it so dang dark all of a sudden? Okay, the button definitely goes in where the button needs to go in at. Make sure that the battery pack fits in here. Yep, looks like that's going to fit in here. Make sure our USB plug's going to fit in there. Okay, now make sure this snaps into there. Let's see if that works. Uh-oh. Oh, wow. Another thing, 3D printing is a lifestyle, Hopefully, it can be. I want it to be. So, I'm going to try. And even if I fail, guess what? It's not because of the printing. It's because of my choices I made. So, anyways. All right, now, so that's snapped together, that USB. So that's absolutely fabulous. I mean, that ain't going anywhere. So there's that, and that's going to clip. So I should be able to glue that right into here. I should probably do that right away so I don't do anything retarded, or I shouldn't say that word. If I don't do anything I shouldn't be doing. What I mean by that is I have a tendency of wiring everything up before I'm gluing it. So that's going to stay right on there. That's just going to go right on there like that. All right, and while he's gluing, we're going to send him in there. Just a regular AA, 2 AA's on him. Let's give him a little swirly. And it's kind of, this super glue is this really good stuff. This Duro, it all is, man. There's some of it sucks, but it all does its job once it bonds. That's for sure. All right, and that went straight on there. Okay, so we have these 2 items successfully on. All right, so I want to say it's a pretty successful deal here. Definitely 100%. You can see the switch on there, the USB, and the battery pack. Absolutely awesome. It's just an independent light. Independent light. Take it anywhere you want. I think that's totally awesome. Great success. Great success. I don't think it's flickering. Did it flicker? Yeah, no. There we have it, folks. I hope you enjoyed my cow, my light, my design, everything about it. Take it easy and have a great day.